Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you 3 extremely powerful tools that can completely change your Windows experience and make your PC feel more modern, faster to use, and way more productive. If you are someone who likes customizing Windows, saving time, working faster, and doing things in a more professional way, then these 3 apps are going to feel like hidden superpowers. These are not normal apps. These are genuine quality upgrades that make Windows feel premium and more personal. And after you start using them, there is a very high chance that you will never go back to the default Windows workflow again. So stay until the end because each tool does something totally different, and together they create a perfect combo. Let's start with the first tool, which is called Windhawk. Windhawk is basically like a modding system for Windows where you can add features, change the look, fix annoyances, and unlock advanced customization options without doing complicated registry edits or risky system hacks. Normally, when people want to customize Windows, they try registry tweaks, third-party themes, and other tools that can sometimes break the system or cause issues when Windows updates. But Windhawk is designed in a more controlled and safe way. Think of it like installing mods for a game, but instead it is for your Windows interface and functions. After you download and install Windhawk, you open it and inside you will see a mod store or mod library that is created by developers and the community. These mods are things like taskbar tweaks, animation tweaks, file explorer upgrades, context menu improvements, mouse behavior changes, better snapping features, visual changes, and tons more. For example, you can make your taskbar look more transparent, make File Explorer tabs behave differently, restore classic context menus, adjust window animations to feel smoother, fix UI annoyances, or add completely new features that Microsoft never included. The best thing is that you do not have to permanently change anything. Windhawk allows you to enable or disable any mod whenever you want, meaning if something causes a problem after a Windows update, you can turn it off instantly with one click. It also focuses on performance, so it is designed to run very lightweight in the background without slowing down your PC. There are advanced settings where you can configure each mod, for example, changing animation speeds or customizing taskbar behavior exactly how you like it. This makes Windhawk perfect for people who want control, personalization, and a more enjoyable everyday Windows experience. Before applying too many mods at once, it is recommended to create a system restore point so you can revert if needed, and always read the mod description to know what it modifies. Once you get comfortable, you can try more advanced mods and slowly build your perfect customized Windows setup that feels truly personal and unique. Now let us move to the second app, which is called Flow Launcher. Flow Launcher is an insanely fast productivity tool that replaces searching with clicking. Normally, when we want to open an app or file, we go to the desktop, Start menu, File Explorer, or even browse folders manually. This wastes time and breaks focus. Flow Launcher fixes this completely by giving you a universal search bar that you can open instantly using a hotkey. Usually the default shortcut is Alt plus space, but you can change it in settings. When the bar appears, you simply type what you need, and it opens instantly. You can launch apps, open files, open folders, run commands, search the web, calculate numbers, translate text, search bookmarks, control settings, and even run plugins. The plugins are what make Flow Launcher extremely powerful because they add new abilities like searching YouTube directly, checking system usage, currency conversion, managing notes, opening Steam games, and much more. Inside the settings, you can also change themes and color styles so it matches your desktop aesthetic. If you want even more speed, you can connect it with Everything Search to get instant file search results even faster. You can also enable Run at Startup so Flow Launcher is always ready the moment you log in. After using it for a few days, you will start to notice how much time you save. Instead of clicking 10 times, you press one shortcut, type a few characters, and boom, it is open. If you are a student, editor, developer, gamer, office worker, or multitasker, Flow Launcher will completely upgrade how fast you work on your PC. It helps you stay in focus mode, reduces mouse movement, makes multitasking smoother, and gives your PC a max spotlight level experience, but even more customizable. Now we go to the third app, which is called QuickLook. QuickLook brings one of the most useful Mac features to Windows, which is instant file previewing using the spacebar. Normally, when we want to check a file, we double-click it and wait for it to open in another application. This wastes time and becomes annoying, especially when dealing with many files like images, PDFs, zip files, videos, documents, notes, and audio. With QuickLook installed, all you do is click once on the file and press the spacebar. A preview window opens instantly without actually launching the full application. This is extremely useful for checking screenshots, previewing documents, checking downloaded zip files, scanning video clips, reviewing homework files, and managing creative projects. When you press space again or escape, the preview closes and you continue browsing quickly. After installing QuickLook, make sure to open it once so it runs in the background, and you can also set it to auto start so you never have to open it manually. QuickLook also supports plugins if you need additional file format support. This tool alone can save hours over time, especially if you work with lots of media files or school and office documents. To finish this video, let us talk about why these three apps combined create a perfect Windows experience. Windhawk improves how Windows looks and behaves, Flow Launcher dramatically boosts productivity and speed, and QuickLook improves file browsing efficiency. One focuses on customization, one focuses on speed, and one focuses on convenience. If you install all three and configure them properly, your Windows PC will feel faster, smarter, and more enjoyable to use. Before ending here are a few important tips. Try each app one at a time so you get familiar instead of installing everything at once. Make sure to enable Run at Startup for Flow Launcher and QuickLook because they are only useful when instantly available. For Windhawk, only enable mods that you will actually use and disable the rest. If Windows does a major update and something starts behaving weirdly, simply turn off mods temporarily. And lastly, remember that these tools are safe when used correctly, but like any powerful tool, always explore responsibly. That is the full breakdown. If this helped, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing so more people can discover useful Windows upgrades. Comment below which tool you like the most and if you want a part 2 with more advanced or secret apps. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.